So Kathman-REDU is a program where we're diverting stock from landfill. The goal of the program is really to try and keep products in the cycle of being used for longer.
All of the apparel that's deemed unsellable at the store level gets packaged up and sent to the distribution centre, and here we unbox it, we assess it, we take a look and start to mark out where the repairs are on the garment. So it could be a faulty zipper, it could be stitching that's come undone, or perhaps we've got a missing label or a missing button.
Hi, my name's Jackie. I'm from Remote Equipment Repairs. We're a business that restores, repairs, repurposes and recycles items.
When the product comes back, we unbox it back in a DC. We do a quality check to make sure that all of the repairs that we identified were necessary have been undertaken, and then it all gets packaged up ready to be distributed into stores.
So come on down to Kathmandu and check out our Redo product. You can find us at Richmond and Galleria. We hope to see you soon.
Hi, how are you?